The story of Nestle. One small idea to save babies' lives became one of the biggest food companies in the world. This is the inspiring story of Nestle. More than 150 years ago, many babies could not survive because they did not have enough healthy food. A young businessman named Henri Nestle wanted to help. He lived in Switzerland. He believed that science could solve this problem. Henri worked day and night. He mixed milk, wheat, and sugar. After many experiments, he created a special baby food. It was easy to digest. It helped babies grow stronger. Soon, doctors began recommending his product. Parents trusted him. The news spread quickly across Europe. His small business started to grow. Henri chose a bird's nest as his company logo. The nest represented care, family, and protection. People remembered the symbol easily. As the years passed, the company introduced many new products. It began making condensed milk. Later, it produced chocolate, coffee, breakfast cereals, bottled water, and many other foods. The company opened factories in different countries. Millions of people enjoyed its products every day. Nestle continued investing in research. Scientists worked to improve food quality and nutrition. The company also focused on food safety. Although Nestle became successful, it also faced challenges. Some people criticized the company for its marketing methods and environmental impact. Nestle listened to many of these concerns. Over time, it introduced new programs to improve sustainability. It worked to reduce waste. It supported farmers in many countries. It also tried to use more recyclable packaging. Today, Nestle is one of the world's largest food and beverage companies. Its products are sold in almost every country. Millions of families use them every day. The company's journey shows that a small idea can grow into something extraordinary. Henri Nestle wanted to help children. His invention changed many lives. His company continued to grow long after he retired. Today, the bird's nest logo is recognized around the world. It reminds people of care, nutrition, and hope. The story of Nestle teaches us an important lesson. Great businesses often begin with a simple goal, solving a real problem. When people work hard, keep learning, and never give up, even a small idea can become a global success. Glowing Star Moral. Success begins with helping others. A simple idea, combined with hard work and determination, can change the world.